How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Yes, I know I have sunglasses on inside the house. I know, I understand. But my eye is real swollen up and everything, and I don't want that to take away from the video. And since I can't go out with swollen eye and all that, it's real sensitive light and everything, I'm going to do this video inside. So what is it about, you may be asking? Something that's in this bag right here from Amazon. So let's get to it and I'll show you exactly what it is.
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
People wanting to be in the video today, huh? Good boy. You gonna model everything for me? I reckon you are, huh? Oh. You little bugger. Cooper's wanting to be in the video today, everybody. Hope you don't mind. But let's get with this. Okay, like I said, I have something in this Amazon bag, and the reason I have you on my phone instead of the GoPro or my normal camera is I'm going to explain something to you. This is my normal setup, okay? Right here. Got my GoPro with the handle that has a built-in battery, so when I run out of power I can use that. But as you can see, it has a stupid little audio adapter on it, and then I have a big microphone that sits on top. That's my normal setup, and the way I normally hold it when I have it facing me is like this. I'm trying to get it where you can see it okay. Like that. And that is very aggravating. And then whenever I spin it around, it's normally something like this. Okay. And the factory GoPro housing is busted. The top of it busted. So I have a zip tie that I slide on and off. And of course my phone is not wanting to cooperate today, but that's okay. So hopefully what I have in that bag will take care of that. Let me show you what I have. You want to show them, Coop? You want to show them? Is that your favorite piece? It's my least favorite. Now I have everything disassembled here so you can see exactly what I have. Again, I bought this at Walmart. It has a USB port. You like that? He likes the little zip tie. Good boy. It has the USB, then it has the charging, and then it has the GoPro mount on it. Then I have that stupid thing for the microphone. And there's no way, if you're going to use an external mic, right currently with the 5, there's no way to get around audio unless you use that. Then the housing, which like I said, busted up here. So I used the zip tie to hold it closed, and then have my microphone. So let me show you what's in the bag. Take it out of the bag, set the bag to the side. It's in this box. It's made by a company called Ulanzi. And here we go. Now I do not have that microphone, so I might have to make an adapter to make my microphone work. But as you can see, it has a place for that stupid microphone adapter, and it allows the microphone to just come up and mount on top. Plus it gives me somewhere to actually mount the microphone. And this is all it is. Now it's plastic. They have a metal one or aluminum one and everything, but they're 6 months out from ship date. So I just went ahead and got this one. If I like it, I'll get the other one. This one was like $18 on Amazon, and then with shipping it was like $23. And like I said, it's just plastic. But hey, and I don't have to use that stupid clamp on the back. The way this one goes in, hard doing this one-handed, but it actually slides in from the side like so. And that gives you full access to the back of it for the GoPro camera to go in. Like such. perfect fit. Look at that. Now you just slide the back cover back on, put the mount on, and you're good to go. You learn anything? He's learning. But it slides on, snaps in place, and there's that. You can still get to all your functions on the back. Still have your trap door over access on there. An actual hole for your LED light. And as you notice, there's no holes for the microphone. If you're planning on using the internal microphone, you're going to have to drill the holes, because this does not have access for them. Once you have that, you take this part and stick in through here. Try and do it one-handed too. Always fun. Let me get this started. Get that started whichever way will work best for you. Then you just slide it in. It's a nice tight fit. And I do mean when I say it's tight, it's tight. It is not, I repeat, not going to come out of here. You want to see? Give it your approval? Yep, that means his approval. And then all you do is take it and fold it up. And as time goes on, this will actually hold its shape, so you don't have to worry about it. Now I've got that plugged in. Like I said, after time, that will actually hold that shape when you take it off. That's much better compact than what I had. A lot better. There it is with the microphone on it. And I've got a feeling that you will be able to see that microphone. So let's turn it on and see. I may have to turn it sideways until I make me a little small adapter to go on there to make it stick further back. But let's turn it on and see. Let's see, you still have access to all your controls. And wow, believe it or not, you cannot see the microphone. That is going to work just like that. And somebody's getting tuckered with all this demonstration stuff. But here it is, the final setup, the final product. Nice, neat, compact. Now I got my hands free. I can rotate everything as I need to. And does it still work with that microphone adapter adjusted like that? Let's find out. GoPro, start recording. You heard the beep. It is recording. Look at that. Looks terrible, don't it? But there you go. Ulanzi, thank you for coming to the rescue. But there you go. Much better setup. Like I said, now it's all hands-free. Well, not hands-free, but my hand is more comfortable in being able to rotate and move stuff around. And it looks more professional too, rather than that stupid way I was doing it. So, if you need something like this, or you're looking for an alternative, if you've got that stupid audio jack hanging down like that and you want to get it up and not have to deal with it, because you know when it vibrates and stuff out in the wind, it makes all kind of clicking noise and all kind of, you know, it just makes your videos really look unprofessional. You might want to check into it too. Ulanzi V2. Like I said, it's plastic, but it's a pretty durable looking plastic. I can't vouch for it yet. I'll give you an update later on what I think about it overall, but so far I'm loving it. It's got everything in one, and it's going to make my life a lot easier doing videos. So with that said, if you want the metal one, you're going to have to wait a few months. There's more of them out there that are more expensive. The metal one I was looking at was like $25, the aluminum, but it's on back order per se, because it's showing it's going to be 6 months before they can ship. And I'm like, nah, I can't wait that long. Car show season's coming up, and I've got some other things I'm doing and going to try to do, and this will help out so much. So until next time, thank you for watching. You know what everybody says: like, share, subscribe if you will. It helps us all out, and we'll see you in the next video. You guys get in there, take care of your cars, enjoy them. That's what I'm doing. Even though I'm not outside with my cars, I'm taking care of them by making my videos better quality. And we'll see you next time. Thank you so much for stopping by.